Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another unboxing for June and I've got the gorgeous Glossybox. This box was kindly sent to me so I'm able to share and show you on my channel. Pop a link to the subscription down below in my description, as well as any discount codes and offers, including an offer that is available today. I don't know for how long though, but it's my own personal refer a friend code. Normally it entitles you to receive £5 off your first beauty box, but it's allowing you to have £10 off. So essentially you could get this box for £3.50. So normally a monthly rolling subscription costs £13.50 and that includes shipping. So I'll pop the code up on the screen, but I'll also pop it down below in my description. So if you want to take advantage of that, then you're welcome to do so. But also down there you'll find all my other discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got currently running. So yeah, it's all down there if you want to take a look. As well as a monthly rolling subscription, Glossybox offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at reduced cost, and they offer a pay up front option as well, which brings down the cost even more. Inside 5 beauty treats there are some variations. There's a QR code in here, so hopefully that will tell me more information about it, but the value of this box comes to around £73. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. I love these colours, absolutely love blue and white. It just reminds me of Greece. So there's a QR code and let's open it up. Oh, I think we've got a freebie. I think we've got a chocolate bar. Well, I'm hoping. Look! What's this? Oh yes, we have. Oh, yeah, we do. I love it. I love it when we get a chocolate bar. Like 3 bank holidays in a month. Chocolate delight, soft nougat, orange and caramel. Oh, look. So we've got a free chocolate bar. And I'll just give you a little sneak peek. Isn't that pretty? I love all the blue. Right then, let's scan the QR code. Our June Fresh Breeze box has everything you need for a beauty routine, as crystal clear as those summer waves, with a range of beauty products to fill every desire. This box will bring you that destination feeling without stepping foot on a plane. And then it goes on to tell you what's inside. Sneak peek for next month, which is our July box. It just says Summer Escape. It doesn't show you anything, tell you anything, so we don't know what we're getting. But we'll all receive 5 products in this box. 4 of them we'll all receive, but the last one, there's variations. So I'll do the 4 that we'll all receive first. Starting off with a Rituals shower gel. This is the Ritual Jing. This is from their Sleep range. Serene foaming shower gel with sacred wood and lavender. And there's 50 mils there. They sell them at this size, the little minis, but you do get, I think it's 200 mils. I've tried this many times and it is beautiful. It's one of my favourite scents from Rituals. I do really like it. Always handy to have a shower gel. There's 5 of us living in this house, so you can imagine we go through a ton. This deluxe size worth £8. Foaming shower gel leaves your skin feeling nurtured and hydrated. Infused with sleep promoting fragrance, it inspires inner peace, tranquility and boosts your well-being. So there's that. Next, we've got some eye ampoules. This is a bit different. I Want You Naked. All right. 3-day skin retreat, anti-aging eye therapy. So it's like a little taster pack. Is that the brand? I Want You Naked? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh, look. Look. There they are there. Whoa. I can get one out for you. So you snap the top off, which is easy to do, and then that is quite a lot of liquid for your eyes. Yeah, look Chloe, that is quite a lot of liquid for your eyes. That would last me a whole week, surely. You only need a tiny bit. 1 ampoule of active ingredients is enough for 2 applications. All right then. Twice, not a whole week. You can use 1 half in the morning and the other in the evening. The serum will therefore last you for 6 applications. This little pack is worth £35. Refresh your under eye area with this intensive eye treatment. See and feel an immediate effect with ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and caffeine. I love that. I love it when they put in something different. Something that, you know, we've never had before, and that will last me quite a while. Well, a week, as I thought it would do. Next, we've got some makeup. This is Satisfy Your Urge for Playful Provocation. This is by Tease Cosmetics. This is a Crave lip gloss in Beautiful Bad Habit. Oh, something new, a new brand. I can't think of if we've had anything from them before. I don't know. Tangle Teasers, that's all that's coming to mind, but I don't know. Oh, look. I'll have a look now to see if we all receive the same shade. Oh, it's nice. It's nude. Got a bit of shimmer in there. Yeah, it's just nice. Nice to give a nice natural colour to your lips. Quite nudie with some shimmer, as I've just explained. Just repeating myself. This is worth £21. This lip gloss visibly enhances the lips, leaving a glow, wet and juicy finish. Infused with sunflower oil, camelina oil and rosemary extract, this product ensures your lips stay hydrated and fuller looking. Just grabbing a mirror. I've got lip stain on my lips, so it shouldn't come off. I just want to apply some on top. There, got really shiny lips now. Yeah, feels nice. Feels nice, like a normal lip gloss. I do really like it. I like it on top of this lipstick as well. So we got that. Next we got something for the hair. This is Brave New Hair 101 Hair Booster Moisture and Repair. It's a 5-in-1 pre-poo. Okay, pre-poo conditioning rinse, express intensive treatment, leave-in supplement conditioner, high protection finishing hair cream, and there's 50 ml there. Again, handy for the summer. Yeah, 5-in-1 product. Okay. This is deluxe size and it's worth £10. This 5-in-1 hair treatment will protect against breakage while adding moisture. Use as an intensive treatment to provide extra care or as a heat protectant cream to protect your hair against heat and reverse any heat damage. So yeah, if you've tried this, let me know what you think of it. Now the last product in the box, we have the variations. It looks like there's 3 different variations. Firstly, we have got the Hawaiian Tropic. It's a fragrance mist and it retails for £8 and you'll get one of 3. So you'll get Summer Dreams, Pink Retreat or Tropical Oasis. Right, can you see there? I know the ring light is making it all go flashy. So you'll get one of 3 of those if you're going to receive one of them. That is. I didn't get it in my box. Or you'll receive a Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel and that retails for £13.49. There, can you see that? So a pot of moisturising gel. That sounds nice actually, Hydro Boost. I love a water gel. Or you'll receive what I've got, which are 2 little samples of Cetaphil Moisturising Cream, which is worth £1.33, or Bondi Sands Pure Self Tanning Sleep Mask worth £2. So a big difference in price compared to the others and sizes as well, considering the Neutrogena cream is full size and the spray is a deluxe size as well. But yeah. So those are all the products inside this month's Glossy box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. Got a Rituals Foam-In Shower Gel. We got I Want You Naked, I think that's what it's called. They're eye ampules with hyaluronic serum to last you around, say, 6 applications. We've got a Brave New Hair 5-in-1 hair treatment. We've got a Tease Cosmetics. This is a Crave lip gloss in, I can't remember the name, it is Beautiful Bad Habit. And then the last item are the variations. You'll either get a spray, a moisturiser or these 2, which I received. So Cetaphil Moisturising Cream and a Bondi Sands Sleep Mask tanning. Not forgetting the chocolate bar, which is going to be mine right after I finish this video with a cup of coffee. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? I love the box design. Really, really pretty. A keepsake box. Reminds me of Greece, so I'm not going to chuck it away because I'm obsessed with Greece. I'm just a little disappointed with the last 2 products in the box. It's just, yeah, when you see what you could have had, I think that is the issue, isn't it? This is what you could have had. But then saying that, I don't know, but we're all different, aren't we? You might prefer what I received and whatever. So we are all different, which is why I'd love to hear what you think of it. Whether you've subscribed, you've received your box, or you're watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? Especially if you want to have this box for £3.50. Again, I don't know how long that's going to last for. As well as that code, I'll find other codes as well, just in case it doesn't last long. So if you want to take advantage, then you're welcome to do so. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.